Alright, Chevrolet Equinox EV 2025 without sunroof model in black. Black interior. And we are going into the storm. Just a quick trip to 7-Eleven and back. So, there is a severe thunderstorm right now.
Oh, sweet baby Jesus. I wish you knew how to drive.
And, water is all over the window. We're gonna turn the windshield wipers on. Alright, so we are going into the storm.
We're going on a trip in our future rocket ship.
Yeah, we're going into the storm. There is a severe thunderstorm out right now. And as you see, water is all over.
Seatbelt. Okay. Seatbelt.
So, any sound means it's starting to hail. It might actually get really bad. Yeah, it might get bad. It's gonna get bad. Very bad. I think it needs to be night for ambient lighting. It's just like 4.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's go.
So what you just saw on the display was...
You ready?
Yeah. So what you just saw on the vehicle display was the vehicle cameras. Alright. Alright, so we're out. Alright, so into the storm. Alright, inside the 7-Eleven right now. So,
We want yellow beaner. Do you want yellow beaner?